Hey Sebastian, I wanted to show you some things that you can do now that you're done with Imagine Learning. Well, the first one is you want to make sure you get to your dashboard. So you go to Students and Student Google Login, and then you put in your username, which is 762573, and you put in your password, which is 07282014. And then this is your dashboard. So instead of clicking on Imagine Learning, what you can click on now is MobyMax. It's the picture of the whale. And in MobyMax, you go to the rainbow square and press it. And there are tons of choices of activities to do. Math, fact fluency, numbers. You can do reading stories, or you can do reading for information. You can do English language, you can do vocabulary, spelling, phonics, alphabet, sounds and letters. You can do phonics, you can do sight words, all kinds of activities. You get to choose them. So that's where the books are. Here, this is assignments. You won't have any assignments because you're doing this extra since, well, not extra, but you're doing this instead of Imagine Learning, so you get to choose, which is fun. The balloons is where you can play games. You earn game time by doing MobyMax activities. You don't really need this. This is if you needed to send me a message on MobyMax. And you don't really need this either. So that's one of your choices, MobyMax. Remember, it's the whale on the dashboard. Another choice you have is Epic Books. So once you get to the sign-in page, you press on Student and Educators, and then you press on PZY4899. That's our class code. And then you find your monster. Here, oh, yours is a cool llama with sunglasses. And you can read any books that you want. So those are two different things that you get to choose from to do instead of Imagine Learning. Let me know if you have any questions.